Students, now in this session I will explain question number 6 and 7 of exercise 3.7 chapter playing with numbers. Now in question number 6 is very interesting and very important because this type of questions really comes in an exam and it carries at least 3 marks, students, so it's very important. Try to listen me very carefully. Now in the first sentence it is said the traffic light at 3 different roads. Not just, I'm trying to just make 3 different roads. That is, suppose these are the crossroads. Okay, fine. So this is one crossroad where this is a traffic light. Please pardon me with that drawing because I'm not that good in drawing. Okay, this is the first road. Let me just draw you another road. This is another crossroad. Fine, crossroad. So we have another traffic light here, just like this. Okay, so we have 3 lights here. Now again, this is another crossroad. Okay, so we have traffic light like this. Fine. So what they are trying to say, 3 different roads, 3 different traffic lights. Fine. So now the traffic lights at 3 different road crossing changes after every 48 seconds. Now this light will change 48 seconds. I will make you understand how it is changing. This after 72 seconds and this after 108 seconds. Now you have to understand the meaning of this. Now 48 seconds means what? After every 48 seconds the rate about this traffic light, I'm saying this traffic light, the light is changing from red to green and green to what? Yellow. Fine. Or yellow, red, yellow, green, and then green to red. So after every 48 seconds red is changing to green and then it is staying for 48 seconds. After again 48 seconds it is changing to red. Okay, for this red is changing to green after every 72 seconds. That is, red, it will hold for 72 seconds. Now it will change to green and it will stay up till 72 seconds. Then again it will change to red after 72 seconds. Understood? And the same thing is happening for the third traffic light also. After every 100 seconds the light is changing. Fine. Red to green, again green to red. Fine. So this is what they are saying. Now it has been observed that in the morning 7 a.m. in the morning 7 a.m. these 3 lights are changing their lights together simultaneously. I repeat, in the morning 7 a.m. these 3 traffic lights are changing their lights together simultaneously. Fine. Might be this traffic light is changing from green to red, might be this from red to green, or this is red to yellow. Okay, so this is how they're changing their lights together at 7 a.m. Now the next question they have asked, that at what time will they change simultaneously again? At what time? After 7 a.m. what will be the next time? What will be the next possible time that they will again change their light together? That means, see, I have already discussed that in the question there has to be some least, smallest, maximum, longest. This word should be mentioned. But in this particular question we don't have any such words, isn't it? So how to understand that what we have to do, which method we have to apply, either HCF or LCM. Now see what we are asking, what is the less possible time under which these 3 lights will again change their light together. That is, what is the minimum time, at what minimum time they will change their light, isn't it? We will not say now what is the maximum time. We'll say that what is the minimum amount of time, at which these 3 lights will change their light together. So when we are talking minimum or less amount of time, so what we have to do, we are using the word minimum here because we'll definitely see that what is the less amount of time, what is at the less amount of time that they will again change their light together. So that means we are using the word minimum, and when we are using the word minimum, that means we have to find the LCM, students. Okay, so let's get the LCM of 48, 72 and 108. So it would be, yes, that is all numbers are divisible by 2, that is 24, 36, 54. Now 2, 12, 18, 27, 2, 6, 2, 9, 27 is not divisible by 2, 2, 2, 3, 9 and 27. 3 ones are, 3 threes are, 3 nines are, 3 1, 3 1, 3 threes are, 3 1, 3 1, 1. So LCM would be what? LCM would be 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 3. That will give you 432. That means 432 seconds. Fine. So now it is quite difficult to understand that after 432 seconds the light will again change together simultaneously. So for this reason, what is the answer? What we have to do is we have to change this 432 seconds in the minute form. So what we have to do in graph, when we change any value which is in the second form and we are changing it into the minute form, we have to divide it by 60. Fine. So 60 sevens are 420. The remainder will come as 12. Now this will consider as minute, this 7 will consider as minute, and this 12 will consider as seconds. Now it is quite easy to understand. So therefore the required time, therefore the required time will be what? 7 hours, 7 minutes and 12 seconds. That means at this time again, at this time after 7 a.m., this 3 light will again change their light together simultaneously. Okay, so this is the solution of sum number 6, students. So let's move on to sum number 7. Question number 7 is very easy, but equally it is very important. Now there are 3 tankers which contain 403 liters. It is about the first tanker they are saying. 434 liters, it is about second tanker, and 465 liters of diesel respectively in third tank. Okay, now they have asked find the maximum capacity. Now what the word is used? Maximum. So what we have to do? Absolutely right, we have to go for SCF. So let's get the SCF of the 3 numbers. That is SCF of 403, 434 and 465. So what we have to do? Yes, we have to do the prime factorization of all these numbers separately. Fine. So this number is divisible by 13, students. Okay, 13 31s are 31 ones. Now this number is divisible by 2 ones are 17. Now this number is divisible by 7 threes are 21, 7 1s are 7, again 31 ones. Now this number is divisible by 5. Okay, I guess this number is divisible by 3. So 3 1s are 3, 3 5s are 15, 3 5s are 15. Now this number is divisible by 5, that is 31, and 31 is a prime number, it is only divisible by 31 only. Now we will write all the prime factors, that is 13 into 31 into 1, 434, that means 2 into 7 into 31 into 1, 465, that would be 3 into 5 into 31 into 1. So we have to write the common factors, isn't it? So what is the common factor, students? Yes, 31. 31 is the common, and 1 is the common factor of every number, isn't it? So we'll write common factors are 31 and 1. So what is the SCF? SCF is 31 into 1, that would be 31. So what we will write? How to conclude this sum? So we will write hence the maximum, you will write hence the maximum capacity, hence the maximum capacity of the required container, okay, of the required container, that would be equals to what? That would be equals to 31 liters. Okay, I hope you have understood these 2 sums. These 2 sums are very important, students. Okay, so that's it for this session. God bless you all. Take care and stay blessed.